Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Eli. In today's video we're going to be reviewing the RGB LED light strip, and the link is in the description to buy this if you do want to buy it. I'll be testing out the light and I'll be unboxing. So we do have a cardboard box, and then we do have a 42 key remote with all the colors, different modes available. We have the AC adapter. This is pretty big, but you won't probably see it depending on where you are putting it. Have the power cord, the IR or the receiver, IR receiver. This is where the signal goes from the remote to the IR signal, and then you plug it in from there and put it right there. Here is the RGB LED light strip right here. Very nice. I think this is 16 feet, I believe. I'll put everything in the link in the description. We have some tiny font. Very tiny font, or very tiny words, I should say. We also have the instruction manual. See if I can get it out. Pretty simple. We also have some cautions and other things on how to place and stuff. So we're gonna move everything aside and show you everything in close up. Alright, so first we're gonna show you how to set it up. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna get the RGB LED strip. You're not gonna want to keep it coiled up like this. You're gonna want to set it up first wherever you need to put it. Make sure you choose wisely. You could obviously take it off, but it would be a lot more work to take it off and then remove it and put it to another destination. So you're going to want to get the IR receiver or the box. You're going to plug in the male end, the one with the little prongs right there. Right there. We're going to get that one, and we're going to plug it in here. You're going to match up the arrows. So I'll show you what I mean. Hold up. So those two arrows, you're going to want to match those up. Okay, I'm going to try to focus it, but you're going to want to match those two arrows and make sure they connect. And then you're going to get your AC adapter and plug in the male into the female to the IR receiver. And then plug in the cord, this part right here, into the AC adapter. Alright. And that's how to connect it, and all you need to do is plug it in, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it in just to show you what it looks like right here, and then I'm going to set it up and show you what it looks like. Alright, now what you're not going to want to do is you're not going to set it up like this exactly, because if you keep it on long enough, it will burn out the LEDs and possibly catch fire. So do not do that. Do not do what I'm doing for a very long period. I'm just going to be showing you for a couple seconds. So to turn it on, all you have to do is press the on button. And there you go. Right now it is in white. You could also change it to multiple colors. We're going to change it to red, green, blue, and then white. There are obviously a lot more colors than that. I'm just showing you some of them. So you have red, and then all the shades of red, green and all the shades of green, blue and all the shades of blue, and white and all the shades of white. So it's a darker, and then you also have the flash mode. fade 7, fade 3, I like fade 3, jump 7, and jump 3. So it's the colors, if you didn't know. The jump 7 is 7 colors each. Like, it's gonna jump 7 colors. And then we also have quick. Like, make it faster or slower. And then you also have DIY 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. And you also have these arrows which brighten it and lower the brightness. Or the shade. Hold up. The eye thing isn't facing down. Okay. And you also have the brightness up. The brightness down. Can't see it on camera. And then the pause button. And then the off button. I'm going to go ahead and set this up. This will be a really quick video. It'll definitely be under 7 minutes, so be right back. Actually, I'm very sorry. I'll set it up in another video. I'm going to be setting up in my room and TV. And I'll be showing you a video of that as well in the future in about a month or so. So, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like if you did enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe if you're new around here, because it only takes 5 seconds to do so. And make sure you share this video with as many people as possible. It'll help out a lot. Make sure you use the link in the description to buy this product. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.